In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google Flights for any inquiries or issues you might be having with your flight bookings. Whether you need help understanding flight details, making changes to your bookings, or addressing any concerns, Google Flights provides a straightforward way to get the assistance you require. This guide will take you through each step of the process, ensuring you know where to click, what information you'll need, and how to submit your questions or concerns. First and foremost, you'll want to navigate to the Google Flights webpage. You can easily do this by typing https://www.google.com/travel/flights into the address bar of your internet browser. This will take you directly to the home page of Google Flights, where you can start the process of reaching out for support. Once you're on the Google Flights page, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see a Sign In button. Click on this to proceed with logging into your Google account. This step is crucial as it allows Google to pull up your flight information and provide personalized support. After clicking the Sign In button, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you'd like to use for this process. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you select the one associated with your flight booking. This ensures that when you reach out for help, the support team can easily access your flight details. Following the selection of your Google account, you will be taken to a page to enter your password. Go ahead and type in your Google account password. Remember, this step is part of Google's security measures to protect your account's privacy and data. Next, click Next after entering your password. This action will confirm your credentials and successfully log you into your Google account. Upon logging in, you're ready to navigate through the Google Flights interface to find the assistance you need. Scroll down to the very bottom of the Google Flights page. It can be easy to overlook, but there's a lot of useful information and resources tucked away at the bottom, including the link to the Help Center. This area is designed to assist users with a variety of needs and questions. Click on Help Center. This will redirect you to a page where Google has compiled a wide array of topics and questions that users frequently inquire about, making it easier for you to find quick answers to common issues. Once in the Help Center, you'll notice a search function. Here you want to type in, "Contact us about your flight." This phrase will help direct you to specific information on how to reach out about your flight queries. After typing in the search, click on the suggestion that says, "Contact us about your flight." This selection will take you to a page tailored for users looking to get in touch with Google Flight support regarding their flight bookings. On this page, you'll see different issues or topics you can receive help with. Choose the one that best matches your current need or concern. Google Flights aims to categorize queries to direct you to the most relevant support. After selecting your specific issue, you'll be given a few options on how to contact Google Flight support. One of the available options will likely be email, which is a convenient way to detail your issue and wait for a response. Click on the email option to proceed. Here's where you'll need to give as much detail as possible about your situation. Providing comprehensive information is crucial for the support team to understand your concern and offer helpful resolutions. Describe the issue with as much specificity as you can, including any flight numbers, booking codes, or dates relevant to your inquiry. Finally, after filling out all the necessary information and detailing your issue or question, click Submit. This sends your query directly to the Google Flights support team, who will review your submission and reach out to you with assistance or further instructions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you are well on your way to getting the help you need with your Google Flights booking. Whether it's a question about a recent flight, changes to your itinerary, or any other concerns, Google's support team is there to assist you every step of the way. Stay tuned for more helpful guides on making the most out of your travel experiences.